Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 52 bathroom layout ideas, a treasure trove of inspiration to help you design a bathroom that's not only functional but also a serene retreat for relaxation. No matter your space, style, or budget, these ideas will guide you toward creating the perfect bathroom layout for your home. A well-designed bathroom is more than a necessity, it's a personal oasis. Imagine transforming a small space into a luxurious haven by incorporating smart storage, sleek fixtures, and lighting that sets the mood. For instance, a compact layout with wall-mounted cabinets and a walk-in shower can make even the tiniest bathroom feel spacious and modern. For larger spaces, explore layouts that include double vanities, freestanding bathtubs, or even separate wet and dry zones for added convenience and luxury. Picture a spa-like atmosphere with earthy tones, natural stone tiles, and minimalist decor, perfect for unwinding after a busy day. Or consider a family-friendly design with ample storage and durable materials to keep everything neat and practical. These 52 ideas also showcase how creative layouts can cater to your unique needs, whether it's incorporating a skylight for natural light, installing hidden storage solutions to reduce clutter, or choosing statement tiles to add a splash of personality. Each slide is packed with possibilities to inspire your next bathroom makeover. Thank you for watching. If these designs spark ideas for your own project, don't forget to like this video, share your favorite layouts in the comments, and subscribe to Thena's channel for more creative home design inspiration. Let's make your dream bathroom a reality. Happy watching!